Best Modern Metal Bookends Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular set of bookends in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this modern bookend so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this set of bookends. The one that made our list is the Max Gear Universal Premium Bookends. These bookends are made with selected heavy gauge steel with advanced stamping processing, so that it's strong and heavy enough to keep all your books and folders neat and upright. The super smooth and flat high quality paint surface and round edges prevent scratches or scuff marks on your shelves or books. The anti-slip foam pads on the bottom of each bookend helps prevent sliding and also prevent scratches on your desk or shelf as you move the bookends. The sleek design keeps your items organized without taking additional space. So to check out the full specs of the Max Gear Universal Premium Bookends and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestbookends. Here's a quick video of these sleek bookends. So there you have it, the Max Gear Universal Premium Bookends. Considering its unique design, the quality of the material, and how they protect your books and shelves, we feel that this set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Max Gear Universal Premium Bookends and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestbookends. Alright, thank you for watching.